Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and I just love having this tool that allows me to turn my die cuts and creations into stickers. This We Are Memory Keepers sticky folio is so simple to use, and it allows me to take my little pieces of thin papers and bigger papers and turn them into a sticker just by simply pulling back the top of the sticky sheet and pressing the die cut into the sticky surface. The folio comes with this fabulous metal tool that acts to press the die cut down onto the sticky surface, as well as tweezers to lift the sticker up off of the page. There's even a storage area right in the portfolio so that I won't lose the tool and it stays all together. There is also an elastic to hold it closed, which is so nice if I'm going to take it with me to travel or just so that I can keep everything together. And it's really so sleek and lightweight. This We Are Memory Keepers sticky folio has been so convenient and helpful in my card making and planning and scrapbooking. I love being able to make my own stickers, and I've been so successful with this. And that's my point of view.